everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error that says action not available on your phone. Let's get started. The first thing to try closing the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Roblox and swipe it to close it. Open Roblox again. This removes the small glitches that causes the error. The error often shows up when your internet is weak. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Turn on mobile. Turn airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds and turn it back off. Restart your Wi-Fi router if possible. Now try the action again in Roblox. If your app is outdated, Roblox may block some actions. Open App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now scroll until you see Roblox, then tap Update. After updating, open the game and test it again. If the app has corrupt data, actions may fail. Go to the settings on your phone, then tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage, find Roblox and tap Offload app. Then tap Reinstall app. This resets Roblox but keeps your account, and that's all. After trying these steps, the action not available error should be gone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Found this video helpful. Drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.